Hello everybody, how are you? My name is Mirjaganam Rasul. So today in this video, how to install Synology Nas server your old PC or old computer in your house. So first of all, three requirement like I need a virtual box like VB box, second Synology, and third Synology DSM file. So I am already install virtual box my computer. So I am open this software. This is my virtual box, and I'm created a new machine. So my machine name is NAS server, and my operating system Linux, and version others Linux 64-bit. And next, this is your RAM size. Created, and this is your storage size, 30 GB. Okay, so created a new machine, and first I am going to setting option and select system and boot order network option, right sign, and second go to network and select bridge adapter, go to advanced and select all allow. So this software is best setting, and then go to start. So this software is empty. Now I am import my Synology file. So I am import this software Synology 5.2 version and open, then start. So this is installing system option, and I am choice first option, and already started installing. So I am wait few minutes. So this ISO is already installed, and this ISO give me a new IP like 192.168.10.114. So this is my IP address. One nine two 168.10.114. So this is my IP, and I am open a browser, and go to this IP. So this is a index file, and this is my Synology version DS 3615 access now. So I am set up my OS. So go to setup and choose my DSM file. So I am go to manual install and browser and go to my file location. So this is my DSM file location and this is my file. So I'm choose this file and open and install, and you can write sign this. Okay, wait few minutes. So Synology Nas server is a cloud server. So this is a best server like your cloud purpose. So wait a minute. So brother, any information, any tips, ask me any question, no problem, like comment or mail or WhatsApp, anytime, anywhere. So brother, installing process is completed, and restart machine. And again run this machine. So wait a minute. And I am go to this software. Just wait a second. I'm created a administrator account. So server name is Mircha IT. Solution and username root and password root 123 root 123 and next. Sorry. Root 12345 root 12345. Okay, like password 12345668 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. So username root and password 1 2 3 4 5 6 8, and next. Sorry, username Mircha ID, and next. So like a requirement gsm update setting. So I am already installed update file. Then next, this is mail. Skip and go. So wait just a minute. So this is NAS server dashboard.